Hi guys, it's me, and today I will be showing you how to make your own slime, and I really hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let's get making. First thing you're going to be needing is glue, and make sure your glue is PVA, some colors which is optional, some borax, glitter which is also optional, and now a spoon to mix your slime, and a container to put in your stuff like your glue and stuff like that. So first you're gonna add in your glue. Now we're gonna add in our food dye. Now I'm gonna choose this color. It's really nice. Let's add in. There we go. Now, if you add too much paint, it won't be as nice. So just add a little bit. A little goes a long ways. Let's mix it. So here's what it looks like. Now let's add in our glitter. I'm using this blue glitter. And pour that in. There we go. Now let's mix. Now it's time to add in our borax. Just a teeny tiny bit. It's working. Let's add in a little bit more borax. So guys, this is gonna take me for a while to mix, so we're gonna cut this off and I'll be right back when it's finished. So guys, I'm back and I finished the slime. This is how it looks. It's stretchy and also hokey. Hear this sound, you guys. It's really cool. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and see you guys later. Bye!